Hi! So the big news is that Animotive can now export FBX files of your performances. That means you can carry on creating your stories inside the likes of Unreal Engine, Maya and Blender. This video will show you how to go from a performance in Animotive to an FBX that you can use in your favorite DCC app. For this video, I'm going to create a new project and give it a name. I want to use our Dark World asset pack for this. I start off in the control room. First things first, I'm going to calibrate. With that done, I'm going to head over to a spot where I want our character to perform. By the window looks pretty good. Now I'm going to pick a character. Ambassador Zarakai is who I'm looking for. I'll spawn him in and place him where I think he looks best. I'm using the MetaQuest Pro headset, so let's click on him and set his face tracking to the MetaQuest Pro. Now, embody. Looking good. Alright. I don't need mirror mode right now, so I'm going to turn it off and I'm ready to go. Let's capture. Okay, so now I've been disembodied, I'm going to teleport over to somewhere I can review the performance. I'm going to bring up my timeline so I can play through the capture.
Hello, welcome aboard. I am Ambassador Zarakai. Take a look out the window. It is my home planet. Is it not beautiful?
Cool, I'm happy with that. So to export as an FBX, I head over to my menu, bring up Panels, and Export. The FBX option is in the middle here. Clicking on that brings up our FBX export options. I want to include mesh and animation. Set entities to origin I'll leave off as I want to preserve world space. A binary file type is sufficient. I'll be taking my FBX into Unreal, so I'll choose the export up axis to be Z. And I'll keep the unit scale set to meters. And with those set, I'll just hit export. Now I have my performance as an FBX, I can take it into Unreal Engine and use its cinematic cameras and sequencer to do a high quality render. As you can see, we have a version of the control room set in Unreal already. The set is prepped, lit, and ready to go. We also created a folder for our character to go into. Now, right-click in the content drawer and select Import to Game and browse to your Animotive FBX, or just drag it into your Unreal project. After a second or two, Unreal will then open an Import Settings window. There are a few settings to bear in mind. Use T0 as a reference pose. Import Morph Targets. Down to Animations. Import Animations and select Animated Time. Set the sample rate to 60. Make sure Snap to Closest Frame Boundary is on. Untick Remove Redundant Keys. Untick Do Not Import Curves with only 0 values. And then Import. Now we can drag the skeletal mesh into the viewport. And we can zero out the position in the Details tab under Location. I'll create a new level sequence. and drag my Animotive character into it. Then click the Add Animation Track button and select the animation sequence. If I need to finesse the position of my character, I can do it here. Let's add the textures and material. I'll create a camera and drag it into my sequence. Let's pick somewhere that looks good. Cool. I'll need my audio. Locate audio and bring it in. So if I scrub through, I can see my performance.
Hello, welcome aboard. I am Ambassador Zarakai. Take a look out the window. It is my home planet. Is it not beautiful?
To take the render to the next level, I can add some post-processing to really boost the cinematic feel. Looks good. I think it's ready to render. Go through your render process.
Hello, welcome aboard. I am Ambassador Zarakai. Take a look out the window. It is my home planet. Is it not beautiful?